Guys, I can't believe it. I waited so long to get this card. I mean, to be honest, I waited like a day. I got approved yesterday and they gave me this card today. Which, I don't get it. Like, sometimes Canada Post loses my package. Sometimes they deliver my package within a day from East Coast to West Coast. So, what's going on here? Anyways, in this package, we have perhaps one of the rarest cards in Canada. Now, even though this card is rare in Canada, I wouldn't exactly consider it an exclusive card in Canada. Certainly not at the level of the MX Centurion card. But it's not a card you see all that common in Canada. Of course, I'm talking about the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite Privilege. Now, why is this card so rare? First of all, you gotta be a customer of Wealthsimple, and then you need to have a salary of $150,000 or have $400,000 invested with Wealthsimple. And even if you qualify for all that, you still might not get this card because, well, it's Wealthsimple. If they don't feel like inviting you, you're not getting an invite. No, seriously. Wealthsimple offers a more common version, the Visa Infinite version, where the requirements are lower, and even for that, it took me over an year to get invited. So even if you meet the minimum requirements to get this card, you still need to get invited, and unfortunately not everybody gets the option to apply. But if you do get the option to apply for this card, what you get is one of the best travel credit cards in Canada, and in my opinion, it's not even close. So in this video, we're gonna unbox this credit card, and might as well do a review of this credit card. Okay, so first impression, this package is small, but it's a lot heavier than other credit cards that I've gotten, probably because this is a metal credit card. I've never owned a metal credit card before, so I'm pretty excited. Alright. Ooh, this looks pretty luxurious to me. I don't know if you can see that. Meet the only credit card you'll need. That's a lot of confidence right there, I can tell you that. And I like that it's all black. It makes it more exclusive looking. Oh damn, this got some weight. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably never gonna put this in my wallet because this is some heavy duty stuff right here, and I like my wallets lighter because I like my pockets lighter, so this is probably never gonna be in my wallet, but this is some high quality stuff right here. And plus, I'm married, happily married. I don't need to go out and show off to other girls that got a pretty cool credit card. And plus, you can use this card in your Google Wallet and Apple Pay. So for me, that's a lot more convenient by using your phone to pay than taking out a credit card in your wallet to pay. It doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, so this card is basically the upgraded version of the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite, which itself is already a pretty good card offering 2% cashback for everything. And that card also offered no foreign transaction fees, which made that card pretty much one of the best travel credit cards in Canada. And by the way, this card is basically just a black card. I don't even know if you can see it well on the camera. You see a Wealthsimple sign over here and Visa Infinite over here, privileged. Visa Infinite Privileged over here. You probably can't see that well on the camera, but yeah, I don't know why they designed it like just one big black slab right here, like no design, which I guess would increase the exclusivity look, maybe. Anyways, what do you get with this upgraded version compared to the regular Visa Infinite version? Well, first of all, the base rewards didn't change. You're still getting 2% cashback for all your purchases, and of course, you're still getting no foreign transaction fees. But what really changed are the insurance and perks. Let's start off with the insurance. The regular Wealthsimple Visa Infinite card already offers 10 insurance coverages, including mobile insurance. Which, by the way, I actually think that the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite and this card, the privileged version, is the best cards to use to buy your phone because these two cards offer mobile insurance and offers you 2% cashback. Rogers MasterCard technically offers you up to 3% cashback, but they don't offer you mobile insurance. Unless you get your phone at Costco or Loblaws, Superstore, that's another story. That's another set of credit cards that you should use. But if you're just walking into Apple or Best Buy and trying to buy your phone there, this is probably it. But anyways, the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite already offers a pretty comprehensive insurance package, but this card offers even more. Now, instead of $1 million emergency medical coverage, it's now $2 million. You get more coverage at the airport for your lost bags, and you're also getting car rental insurance that the base Visa Infinite doesn't offer. And if you're wondering if you can qualify, upgrading to this card is actually free. Plus, if you have at least $100,000 invested with Wealthsimple or have direct deposit with Wealthsimple, they waive the annual fee for this card, which means this card is literally just free. So the insurance package provided by Wealthsimple for technically free cards is pretty insane. Like, the insurance package provided by this card is on par with cards that cost about $150 to $200. Now, in terms of perks, this is where the two cards differ because the Privilege version offers a lot more perks, whereas the regular Visa Infinite version doesn't really offer any standout perks. Some extra perks of this card includes $100 credit stay at Visa Infinite luxury hotels, 6 free lounge access every single year. That itself is already worth hundreds of dollars. Free eSIM when you're traveling, better parking spots at airports, and other airport exclusive benefits at Toronto, Montreal, and Ottawa airports, like faster security check-ins. Okay, let's give this card a score. Starting off with the rewards. 2% cashback on everything with no foreign transaction fees. So the one good thing about Wealthsimple is that you can cash out your cash back whenever you want. You don't have to accumulate $10 or even $25 in cash back. Even though Rogers offers up to 3% cashback for all your purchases and this card only offers 2% cashback, this card also offers no foreign transaction fees. So for that, this is an 8 out of 10. Next, the insurance. This is a free card that offers 12 insurance coverages with mobile insurance, by the way, so easily a 10 out of 10. Next, the perks. Now, this card offers hundreds of dollars in value for perks. Just to name a few: 6 free lounge access, $100 in hotel credit, and free eSIM cards when traveling. And of course, you get other airport exclusive benefits in Canada as well, like faster security check-ins. So for perks, a 10 out of 10, which makes the average score of this card a 9.33 out of 10, so easily an S tier card. This card is the definition of a travel card done right. It's got everything you need for traveling, including waiving foreign transaction fees to airport VIP experience, and also destination experience too, from free eSIM cards to hotel credit. Though domestically in Canada, the Rogers MasterCard still reigns supreme in terms of general purchases, offering up to 3% cashback. But when you're traveling, this card is gold. And plus, you know, this card is black and it's all metaled up and stuff, so if you're single and you need to impress somebody, I'm just saying it certainly got the cool factor. Anyways, that's it for today. I make personal finance content for Canadians, so if you're into that, a like and sub will always be appreciated. And with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. You know what? I gotta show this to my wife. You know, I said that I wasn't gonna impress any ladies tonight. That's a lie. I need to impress my wife. Honey, I gotta show you this.